Want to burn more calories and have more energy all day? Then you're in just the right place. This quick morning workout is designed to get your muscles moving and your heart pumping with no equipment needed. And you can even stay in your jammies if you want. Before we get started, go ahead and tap that subscribe button so you can get more home workouts just like this one. Now, let's begin with some skier squats. So we're going to do a little bit of a squat and bring those arms up just a little bit like we're coming down the slopes. Beautiful. We're going to get those big muscles moving right now. And this is going to be about a minute on each of these movements. I have 10 movements. Some of them are upper body and lower body like this one. Go ahead and let those arms come up a little bit more. Woo! Bending those knees, pushing those hips back. And then you want to breathe along with it. Big breaths out as you come down. Good job. Nice. Just getting everything moving. Roll those shoulders back. Chin up. This is a perfect workout to get you going in the morning. Get that metabolism going. We got about, 12 seconds here. And then we're going to switch it up to the next movement. Beautiful. Almost there. We got 3. Arms getting up there, 2. And 1. Nice. We're going to start stepping to the side now. Side to steps. Side step. And we're going to take those arms up. Little half jacks. So if you happen to be in an apartment, second floor, maybe a house, you're up on the second floor, people are downstairs still sleeping, you go ahead and you can just do a little half jack here so you're not getting things too creaky down there. Beautiful. Bring that heart rate up about halfway. Now we're going to be going straight through. This is 10 movements, 10 minutes to get those hearts moving, your muscles activated and ready for the day. 15 seconds. And then we're going to our next movement. We're going to do a level change here. Lots of different things you can do to increase that heart rate. And that's one of them. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to do a step back plank. So we're taking our hands down to the ground, step back, and back up again. And stand up. So taking it into a plank. We're slowing it down a little bit here. Another thing we can do to increase that calorie burn and get your metabolism going. Nice. Step it back. Now you could also do this from a chair or a bench if you wanted. If you don't want to go all the way down, stand all the way up. Beautiful. We got about 22 seconds. Beautiful. Come on up. Nice. Hopefully that blood's starting to pump through your veins and arteries. We got about 5 seconds here. Coming up in 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna do a sumo squat here. Toes pointed out, wide feet. We're gonna come on down, punch, punch, and up, down, punch, punch. Beautiful. Breathe it out. Punch, punch. Shoulders back, chest proud. Now you can punch straight out. You can do a little uppercut if you want. Uppercut. Any boxers out there? We've gone to some pretty cool boxing places. I want you to go low and high. Low and high. Uppercut. Uppercut. Nice. Punch it out. Sumo squat. We got about 10 seconds here. Just punching. Uppercut, uppercut, uppercut. How about one more punch? Punch, punch. Beautiful. March and shoulder press. Nice. Sometimes I call this one high knees and raise the roof. A little party on this morning. Beautiful. You're never going to believe it. We're almost halfway through. This is our 5th movement out of 10. Breathe it out. I always love to hear what your favorite movement is, or maybe some that you haven't seen in my workouts that you'd love to see. We'll get them shared with a group. Nice. Breathe it out, 20 seconds. Kind of switching up from some more active movements to more flowing movements. I'll show you the next one we have coming up in just about 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to take those feet, plant them about hip width apart, and we're going to push the hips back. And as we come up, arms come out front, and I want you to open them up. Nice big chest opener, good. So slowing it down here a little bit, letting that heart rate slow down. Nice. Do a little bit more of some stretches here with this one. Towards the center of our movement patterns. We have just about 30 seconds. We're halfway done with this one. Open it up nice and wide, squeezing those shoulder blades together in the back. Breathe it out. And out, good, 15 seconds. Push those hips back. You should be getting a nice stretch in the back of your thighs and those hamstrings. Open it up. All right, we have time for about one more. Then we're gonna start with some butt kicks. Right back here, butt kicks. Kicking that booty up. And at the same time, I want you to do some bicep pulses. So we're pulsing up here. Beautiful. Arms, upper arms attached onto the side of your body, and butt kicks with those heels. Now, even if you can't get up as high as your booty, that's cool. Just kind of kick those heels back. And if you can get up there, let's get going. We got about 30 seconds left here. Really activating those biceps. Pulse, pulse, pulse. We're gonna hit the back of the arm in the next one. Beautiful. Looking good, shoulders back and down. Good posture. Breathe in 15 seconds. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Oh, you can close those fists too if you want. Pretend like you have some little weights in there. And 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do some skaters now. Skating side to side. And we're doing some tricep pulse backs. So straight arms, pulsing back. Beautiful. And we're just tapping that foot back. Now it can be just a slight tap back, or you can really get into it, get down. Nice. Almost there. We got about 30 seconds down, 30 to go, and then just 2 more movements. This is our last kind of quick movement. Now, if we got those people downstairs, you can kind of get a little bit lower, not so jumpy. Or if you want a little less impact, still get that heart rate up. Beautiful work, y'all. Shoulders back, chest proud. 5 seconds. And we're taking it back down to the ground and up with some walkouts. So coming on back, give yourself a little room. You're gonna take those arms out, walk it out into a plank this time. Pause, and then come back up. Now you can widen your feet a little bit. Give yourself a little bit more stable base. Walk it out, pause, and come on up. If you're feeling a little feisty, you can add a shoulder tap in down there. So coming on down, pause, tap each shoulder before you come on back up again. We just have 1 movement left. Squeeze those glutes to come on up. 20 seconds here. Maybe time for 2 or 3 more walkouts. We'll see. Beautiful. All the way up. Looks like 1 more for me. Down and up. I've just got 1 more movement to finish this up for you. It's gonna be some windmills. So we're taking those arms wide out to the side, pushing the hips back, taking down our hand to reach towards that calf, shin, ankle, toe, as far as you can go. And then twisting to the side. Take your whole shoulder and body, torso there with you. Turn into the side, look into the side. Gorgeous. 30 seconds left, y'all. That's all we have. We're almost done. Woo, work it out in our jammies. Maybe that tea or coffee's almost ready for you. I also want you to add in some good protein this morning, whatever that may be for you. Some nice, good quality complex carbs, water, good breaths of fresh air, all right, and some good vibes. Get all that in. We're done in 3, 2, and 1. You've done awesome. I hope you feel great. Go ahead and get that great food in, good recovery, and if you need a great stretch video, I've got one right here for you. Another great 10 movements for you. Go get it. Have a great day. Peace.